Welcome back, guys, to another tutorial. Today we discuss and make a tutorial about some kind of sorter, robot sorter, I guess, which was asked in the Unreal Engine forum, where an actor is going to a specified place, picking up searches for another actor, picking it up, bring it to another location, drop it, and then goes back and search again for the same actor. And this is how I think it should look like. He goes there, drops it, and goes back. Yeah, and searches for another thing. Well, I guess this is pretty simple, and now we have a look how this is supposed to work. So here we are in the blueprint of the sorter. The sorter itself in the viewport looks like this. We got the basic sorter model, which consists of a cube and a cone. And we got this little thing here. This is the attach point, which is not visible in the play, so it's hidden in the game, where we wanted to attach the cubes we pick up. So the blueprint consists of a flow control, which goes over the event tick into a sequence, and then to all those custom events, which are the searching and the scanning, which are simultaneously. They work at the same time, man. Then it goes into the picking up function, and when it got picked up and attached, it moves to the drop point, and then it goes back and searches again. So we go into the searching, where you branch it with the is searching for objects, just for purpose that the flow control works correctly. And then you go into a do once node and set the pick up object so it doesn't have any objects picked up yet while searching. And then you get the all actors of class with the recast nav mesh, so you have to put in some nav mesh bound volume to get some AI moving there. Then you get, of the actors you get, just the recast nav match is just one, so you get the 0 value, and connect this to the random point in navigable radius, so it goes to this vector point here. I guess it's something like between all those cubes, and then he just moves to this location, and after 3 seconds he gets another random point in this location in a radius of 500. The controller of the simple move to location is get AI controller and then the self. So the sorter is connected to the simple AI, which comes with the Unreal Engine, the basic AI thing, so moving and so on. Yeah, then we go into scanning. The scanning is just, he goes there, and while he is moving he also is scanning. So if he gets into range of an object, he checks always, is the pickup the object just picked up? It's not, and this is delayed with a 0.2 seconds delay, because the tick node would be too fast, and it's enough to make a delay of a 0.2 seconds for this. Yeah, and then we go into a branch. The branch consists of the length of the overlapping actors from the sphere, so from the sphere around the sorter, and class to search for is now not the would be, you could define a class in general, so you can make their yeah, you can make it like watch out for or get all actors of class of the wood cube or steel cube or whatever. Then you get the overlapping actors. Is it bigger than 1? Then is searching for objects to false, and we set the wood cube. It shouldn't be wood cube, it should be some cube. And we set the cube to the overlapping actor we overlap just right in the second. And after this, after defining from the scanning, we're going into the pickup. So we branch it, is searching for objects, it's false. Did we pick it up yet? It's false. So we move to the location of the actor we just defined, wait a second or two, and attach the component, so the wood cube, to the attach point we declared in the viewport, this little thing here. Then we set the pickup object to true, and after this one we go back to the flow control, so searching and scanning is finished, and then we go into this branch which we just made true, so the pickup object is true, so he moves to the drop point, which leads here. So the drop point is, as you saw, the upstairs thing here, and after the do once node, so it goes there once, you make a simple move to location, so the location is the make vector, so the upstairs vector there. And after this I make some math here and a boolean, so if it is near this vector, it just stop it and detach it from actor. The wood cube detach from actor, yes. If it's not yet there, so it's not nearly equal or at the point overall, it just calls false, and it drops into a delay which looks again if it's nearly equal this point. Yeah, and if it's there, it's true. It detaches, goes into delay, and make its way back to the search point location, so to the where he was before. Yeah, and this is the last part of it. We go in the sequences bullshit here. So we get the AI controller with a simple move to location. The move to location is the same one as the searching location we made at the beginning. And after this one, when he just is at the point, then he goes searching for objects true, picked up objects false, and we start right at the beginning again. Yeah, that's it, I guess. I made for the visual, I just call it visual here, color thing. So the cone of the sorter turns blue if he is searching, and turns red if he's picked something up and bringing it to the location there. Well, that's it. Thanks for watching this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it, or make something out of it. Have a nice day and stay tuned.